Hey everyone, hope you are doing great. In today's video, we will be talking about how to enhance your videos with sound design. Sound design is such an important part of creating almost any kind of video. In today's video, we are going to be talk about some basic guideline for sound design. Good sound designs are bringing a video into a life. It's really helping to tell your story and immerse your audience more than the visuals that you're showing them. Here is a video. Now let's watch it with sound effects. Without sound effects, you are left with a final project that is lacking and the audience will notice something that is missing. So this is what the project looks like. As you can see, I have a lot of different layers right here. In this project, I am using three categories of sound effects. The first one is music, or you can say background music. The second one we have is climax, which are rises and drops to build up and release the tension throughout the video. And the third one we have is essential sound effects, which are basically the things that can be seen in the video themselves. Background music is one of the most important element of your video. If your video music is not matching with your video topic theme, then the audience will notice something that is missing. Background music provides texture that will engage your audience and capture their attention. So now let's talk about where you can find best music and sound effects for your videos. I am using Epidemic sound for all of these effects and background music. Epidemic sound is one of the best platform for music. They are not only providing music but also sound effects. Epidemic sound have more than over 35,000 soundtracks with 170 categories. That's really impressive. So if you have Epidemic sound, you don't need any other platform for sound effects and music separately. You got it at one place. Now let's see how to search best music and sound effects for your videos. Firstly, go to browse, and here we have different categories such as genres, modes, themes, and sound effects. You can pick any one of it based on what you are looking for. In sound effects, we also have many categories, so you can search the sound effects by categories, or you just click on the search button and search the name of sound effect that you want. I mentioned the Epidemic sound link in the description below. You can use my code to get 30 days free trial. The next category we have is climax, which are rises and whooshes to build up and release the tension. It's play important role in your whole video and actually bring more attention of your audience. Here are some example of rises and whooshes. The last category we have is essential sound effects, which are basically the things that can be seen in the video themselves, just like footsteps, car pass by, typing. By using these sound effects, your video become more cinematic and more real. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you have any question about sound design, please let me know in the comment section, or you can directly DM me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.